When this guy was just chilling on his bike at the gas station, this girl came up to him and wanted to get his number. But when this guy said he wasn't interested, you won't believe her reaction.
Get it.
You're welcome. Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I do not. Why?
Oh, I was just wondering if I could get your number.
I don't really give out my number like that. Especially, I've never met you before. You on my Instagram?
I don't have Instagram.
You don't have Instagram? What, Snapchat?
I don't have that either. I don't really do the whole social media thing.
Ah, you're one of those girls. No?
I guess.
I don't know. I just don't give out my number like that.
Why not? You not think I'm cute?
To be honest, I don't want to be mean, but you're not really my type, no?
Fuck you anyways. You're not my